So my aim with these series of videos is to document how I started my blog. I'm a huge fan of Gary Vaynerchuk, and he always talks about documenting versus creating. And he says when you're documenting your business and stuff, it's a lot more easier than coming up with content creation ideas. So that is why I'm documenting how I started my blog. So right now I'm in my dashboard area, and I'm going to show you guys how I came up with the coming soon page. I changed my coming soon page, so that's what I'm going to show you. Let me just go to plugins here, and I'm going to show you add new. So one of my previous videos, I used the plugin by a company. I don't remember the name right now. Let me just see my plugins, install plugins. So this was the plugin that I used for a coming soon page. It's coming soon by Subsystic, but I deactivated it. In fact, I'm gonna delete it right now. And this is the plugin that I'm using right now. It's called Launcher, and it's activated as well. As you can see, there's the plugin here, and you can see Launcher page is enabled. So let me just show you guys a preview of what it looks like. When you go to my website, this is what you're gonna see. As you can see, teenageunited.com, and this is what the coming soon page looks like. It says our website is coming soon, and this is the countdown till when my blog gets launched. 30 days, 4 hours, 0 minutes, 15 seconds. And stay updated, enter your email address, and you'll be reminded when we launch our new site. You enter your name, your email, and you sign up. But this is actually, I made some changes to this coming soon page. I'll show you guys what it originally looked like. So once you go to plugins, you go to add new. And then here you type in Launcher, Launcher. Press enter. And this is the plugin that you use. In my opinion, this is the best coming soon plugin available on WordPress. You go to more details, and it'll show you you can see a demo of what the plugin looks like originally. I made some changes to the plugin, and so when you come to more details, it'll take you to a page like this, and there's 3 templates that they give you: default template, retro, and rocket template. The one I used is the default template. It's the best looking template that they have. This is what the template originally looks like. They have their logo here. They have some text, as you can read it. Sorry, we are working on something that will completely blow your mind away. Please come back soon. Stay updated. You can enter your first name and email, and you sign up. And then, see, as you can see, they offer another page as well. The About Us section, the Twitter feed. As you can see, these are your latest tweets. And then you come down again, it has a Contact Us page. Name, email, message, the phone numbers, and the email address, and the social media icons. So what I did was I made some changes, obviously. I removed the logo. I made some changes to the text. I changed the site, stay updated, and these two pages here are hidden, and I'll show you how I did that just now. Go to install plugins. Go down to my launcher and you go to, okay, go here and you go to, you go to settings. Oh no, in fact, you go to edit. If you want to change the look of it, you go to edit. See, right now I hid the logo. So if you want to edit this page, when you want to edit the coming soon page, the cheeky here, and as you can see, everything on this page can be edited. You have the eye. Now the logo is visible. If I want it hidden, I just press that and now it's hidden. Or if I want to change the logo, I just come here, I click it, and you can add your own logo from your computer or wherever you have it saved. Then from your computer, from your media library, from URL, you can add your own logo. And I'm just gonna hide this because I don't want the logo shown. On my blog, I'm gonna design a logo hopefully soon. And then this text, you click it to edit it. You can change the colors as well just by clicking this paintbrush, and you can select the colors of the text. So that's pretty cool. You can change this as well. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And as you can see, this button here, it has an eye that's closed. If you press it again, this is what it originally looked like. So by pressing this button here, you hide this page, as you can see. Also, there's a button here that says picture. You can change the background picture. If you don't like it, you can change it, as you can see. And the other page is hidden as well. Just by pressing that button, it'll show you what it originally looked like. So yep. Just gonna hide this. I'm just gonna hide this as well. I also wanted to tell you about the I also signed up for an email marketing service called MailChimp. And the reason why I signed up for this service is because it is a free service. These are the pricing plans that they have. Free for new business. So I'm launching a new blog and I want my email service to be free, so I chose that. If you have a growing business, it's $10 per month, and a pro marketer $199 per month. If you click this, they'll tell you a little bit more about this free business plan. As you can see, it's up to 2,000 subscribers it's free, and 12,000 emails per month. So that's the reason why I chose MailChimp.